Looks great. Come here. Oh, salmon. It's not tailor. It's a salmon. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today Sydney Harbour, another fishing 1 hour. Yeah, so use light fishing gear. This fishing gear is Daiwa Steez King Boat. Yeah, reel is Daiwa EX 2004C. The P number is 0.8, is about 15 pound, and the leader is 15 pound. Yeah, use lure is 8-gram minnow. Yeah, because for the shallow water you can't use the metal jigging here. Yeah, otherwise you will lost your lure. And minnow or top water. Yeah, and or you use the soft plastic, not too heavy. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, it's a beautiful day and just a little windy. Yeah, anyway, just fishing 1 hour. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, this one today is especially for Tailor. Yeah. Heavy wind, it's hard to cast. Yes, I got a smash by the fish. To be a Tailor. Yes, got on. Tailor on. Yes, pretty good Tailor. Nice size. Trust me, it's good size. Yeah, because the lure is big. And also, maybe I can quickly land this fish. Oh, it's a big Tailor. It's a big Tailor. Oh my god. Okay, look at this Tailor. It's pretty good size. Yeah, use a minnow. Yeah, 8-gram. Yeah, nice. Thank you, buddy. Oh yes, I got one. I got one. Yes. Oh my god, it's heavy, very heavy. Not heavy, it's a kingfish. No chance. Oh god, what's this Tailor? Heavy. But it's really big. Really very big. Or hook the belly, hook the top. Or hook on the side. So it looks heavy. Okay, just come here. Oh. Look at this one. Look at this Tailor. Yes, it's really a big Tailor. Looks very big. Yeah, good one. Thank you, boy. Gosh, a big tailor. Looks great. Come here. Oh, salmon. It's not tailor. It's a salmon. It's big salmon.